Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 22nd of June 2021, 7:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Taking a look at Ripple. Bear flag with descending triangle formation that we looked at last week dropped down below and continued to drop yesterday's. So Monday's candle was pretty ugly, a 21.6% drop. Then we look at Tuesday's candle right now, which will close in about 30 minutes from now at the time of this recording. And we saw Ripple drop all the way down to sub 50 cents. It tagged a low of 0.4870. And here's the thing, like talked about this with Bitcoin. The high volume node as support for Ripple is between roughly 45 and 48 cents. Okay. So you have the 618 Fibonacci retracement at 43 cents, the 2618 Fibonacci extension at 41 cents, 41 and a half cents. And then you have the top of this node here at 48 cents. We did tag 48 cents. Now, is the level that Ripple got to, this low, is that sufficient to qualify for tagging a support zone? Maybe. That's up to you. I think it's gambling to say that it is, but also this is cryptocurrencies, and I mean things can go kind of wonky real fast, and you have these huge retracements. I mean, put things into perspective here. It's not uncommon to see the altcoin market suffer 70% retracements in a bull market. From the $1.98 high of Ripple to the low of today, that represents 75.5% wipe in value. All right, we haven't seen something like that since the January 2018, when altcoins really got slaughtered, and we saw a full year of consistent selling prices. Now, do I think that's going to happen this year? No, I think that we see this kind of activity continue here and consolidate at some type of low over the next till August, and then we start to see things ramp up. But Ripple in particular, out of major altcoins, it's doing very poorly today. I mean, it's very much a leader in how much it's selling off. It's down 9% currently as we're getting closer and closer to the close. You see Bitcoin is actually positive for the day after hitting 28K. Cardano's down 3.5. Ethereum is down 1.5. I mean, across the board, you just see some strong selling continue here and not a whole heck of a lot of support. And this is definitely going to cause a lot of angst among any existing bulls. And Ripple fundamentally, again, I really don't care about fundamentals, but it's hard not to notice news. I mean, here's the deal. If I noticed the news, then it was probably a big deal because I really never pay attention to it that much. But Ripple's stuff with the SEC, really their corporate heads, who seem like really big shysters. I mean, how could they not know that it was probably misleading to investors when they would say they're bullish on their product, but while they're telling potential investors and the public that they're bullish and blah blah blah, they're selling huge blocks of it on the open market and selling it to people under the open market value to potential investors or whatever it was. I mean, essentially guaranteeing profit. I mean, just really shystery activity that hurts retail investors. And maybe it was intentional, maybe it wasn't, but those are big no-nos. Anyways, Ripple could be in a strong support zone here. We'll have to see how it plays out. Otherwise, you want to know where your next support zone is. It's all the way down here at 31 cents. That's the next major support zone. If it cracks below 40 cents, that's the next one. 31 below 40 cents, we get to visit 31 cents. And I don't know, maybe 25 cents where the 3618 extension is. I wouldn't be surprised to see Ripple just kind of consolidate here, maybe bounce, could see it bounce back up to retest the break here, move up to 75, 77 cents, and then face selling pressure down lower. So we'll see how that plays out. But for right now, if you were short, awesome. If you're not short, might be too late. If you are considering going long, I mean, that's up to you. For me, hell no, not yet. But yeah, we'll just leave it there and revisit this tomorrow. From all the Shared Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.